Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best polishing kits in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best polishing kits that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Turtle Wax Complete Ice Premium Car Care Kit. If you don't plan to spend a fortune for cleaning and polishing your car, but you still want it to look cool and shiny, the Turtle Wax Ice Premium Car Care Kit may be a great solution for you. It includes everything you need for keeping the paint of your car fresh and shiny while costing much less than other kits on the market. Probably the most important product in this kit is the Speed Compound, that is used for polishing the paint of your car, or in other words, removing scratches and leaving a flawless finish. All of that sounds good on paper, but in reality, you'll not get a finish that's on the level of the best polishing products on the market. Still, for the money you pay, you will definitely get satisfactory results. The paint will look shinier and cleaner than before, which for most people is good enough. On top of that, you even get a spray detailer and wax for even cleaner and better protected paint and interior cleaner that will also protect the surfaces. The provided mitts and microfiber towels are of a good quality as well, especially for the price. Moving on at number 4, we have the Trinova Scratch Swirl Remover. This kit doesn't include a car wash shampoo, interior detailer, or even mitts or towels, but is great at restoring the finish of your car. It's a specialty product meant for real paint polishing. It can remove small scratches and swirls, something that can't be said for a lot of other kits. Use it twice a year together with a wax or sealant and possibly a clay bar, and you'll get a mirror finish on the paint. Considering the quality of polishing you get with the Trinova product, the price is very low, especially given the quantity you get. We also like that it can be used on all paint finishes, even matte ones, and that it's good for use with a machine polisher. That said, this is an abrasive compound and should be used with care. Don't use it too long in the same area or you can damage the paint of your car. Be gentle and pay close attention to what you're doing. It would have been great if Trinova included a microfiber towel for cleaning the residue of the product in this kit. A foam applicator is included, but other kits include microfiber cloths for removal too. At number 3, we have the CarGuys Liquid Wax. Other products on this list may include everything you need to clean, polish and wax your car, but none will provide you with the finish that the CarGuys Liquid Wax will. It has a special formula that will polish the paint of your car and then seal it to prevent more damage. This product should be used 1 to 2 times a year and comes from a very reputable company, so we can forgive the higher than usual price. And when you see the results, it's definitely worth the money. It leaves a mirror-like finish on the car that is very close to what you'll get after machine polishing, with the added bonus that this product can be used even by amateurs without fear of scratching or damaging the paint. On top of that, it's very easy to use. Just wash your car first, dry it, then apply from the liquid wax on the provided mitt and polish your car with circular motions. In the end, remove the remaining wax with the provided microfiber towel. The best thing about the CarGuys Liquid Wax is that it can be used for polishing other metal surfaces on your car, like chrome details, the rims, and even the windows. It's an amazing formula that will really get the best out of your car's paint. At number 2, we have the Meguiar's Ultimate Car Care Kit. Meguiar's products are on top on any list when it comes to taking care of your car, and this kit is no exception. It contains everything you need for cleaning, polishing and waxing the paint of your car, as well as cleaning other parts, like the wheels, tires, and interior. Every product that comes in this kit yields great results. Expect your car to look flawless. The kit also includes high-quality microfiber towels, a wash mitt, a foam applicator and a water magnet drying towel that is fantastic at removing water spots. The reason it's not on the first spot is that it doesn't include a clay bar, which is best for removing dirt that is stuck in the paint's microabrasions and restoring its mirror-like finish. On the other hand, we really like the ultimate black plastic restorer that can make the black plastic, vinyl, and rubber trims appear as new again after the treatment. A well-polished paint is nothing with plastic and rubber parts that look grayish and faded. All these great products come in a kit that doesn't cost too much, especially given the fact that these are from a brand as reputable as Meguiar's, which is known for their high quality. You really can't go wrong with this kit, either. And finally at number 1. We have the Trinova Car Wash Kit Complete Detailing Bundle. If you want the best possible results at an affordable price and don't plan on using a machine polisher, the Trinova bundle is the best option. It includes everything you need for cleaning, polishing and waxing the paint of your car, as well as a clay bar and cleaners and detailers for the wheels, tires, windows and the interior of your car. With this kit, you will have great results on every surface and your car will look shiny and flawless from every angle. Trinova's products are known for their high quality. You can expect great results from any of the detergents in the package and from the included microfiber towels, mitt, cleaning cloth, high-power rags and drying towels. As a whole, the kit may seem a bit overpriced, but you get a lot for the money. All of the products together may last you several years. With all of that said, this kit is really meant for people who are new to car care and detailing and want an easy solution. A machine polisher will definitely yield better results, even though most people, except the pros, will not be able to notice the difference. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.